welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that everyone is curious about: how to make money on Facebook. Whether you are looking to make some extra cash or turn it into a full-time income, Facebook has tons of opportunities. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Alright, let's jump right into it. We are going to cover several methods for making money on Facebook, from basic strategies to more advanced techniques, and I will break it down in a way that is super easy to follow. First up, we have Facebook Marketplace. It is a huge online marketplace where you can buy and sell almost anything. If you have got old clothes, furniture, or gadgets lying around, this is one of the easiest ways to start making money. Here's how to do it. Just go to Facebook, click on Marketplace, and take good photos of your items. Add detailed descriptions, set a price, and you are good to go. It is great because you are selling to people in your local area, so no shipping hassle. Tips you need to keep in mind. On number 1, take clear, high quality photos. On number 2, write accurate descriptions. Number 3, price your items competitively. Next up is selling digital products or services. This is perfect if you are a freelancer, artist, or anyone who can provide a service online. Think of things like ebooks, online courses, graphic design, or social media management. To get started, create a Facebook business page and promote your services or digital products there. You can also join groups that are related to what you are offering and share your expertise. Tips you keep in mind. On number 1, make your Facebook page professional with a clear brand image. On number 2, use Facebook ads to reach a targeted audience. On number 3, engage with groups that might need your. Another method is using Facebook groups. You can either join existing groups or start your own. Now, groups are where people come together around a specific interest, whether that is cooking, photography, or even starting a business. Let's say you start a group for people interested in fitness. You can monetize it by offering exclusive content, promoting affiliate products, or even charging a membership fee. The key is to offer value so people feel like they are getting something useful from being part of the group. Tips on number 1, be active and engage with your group members. Number 2, offer exclusive content or services to group members. On number 3, promote affiliate products that align with the group. Now let's talk about a more advanced strategy: Facebook ads and affiliate marketing. If you have a product, service, or even a blog, you can use Facebook ads to drive traffic and sales. Here's how it works. You can create targeted ads to reach people who are interested in what you are offering. It can take some time to learn, but once you get the hang of it, Facebook ads can be a game changer for growing your business. On number 1, set a small budget at first and test different ad types. Number 2, use Facebook pixels to track performance. On number 3, retarget people who have shown interest but didn't convert. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't need your own products. You can promote other people's product and earn a commission on every sale. It is a low-cost way to start making money. But not least, let's talk about Facebook video monetization. If you love making videos, this one is for you. Facebook allows you to earn money through ad breaks in your video, much like YouTube. To qualify, you need to meet certain requirements, like having a Facebook page with at least 10,000 followers and generating a certain amount of videos views. Once you hit those benchmarks, Facebook will start placing ads in your videos and you will earn money from those ads. On number 1, Create engaging content that keeps viewers watching. Number 2, stay consistent with posting videos. On number 3, promote your videos across different platforms to build your audience. Alright, let's do a quick recap. You can make money on Facebook by selling items on Facebook Marketplace, offering digital products or services, building and monetizing Facebook groups, using Facebook ads and affiliate marketing, monetizing your Facebook videos. There are so many ways to turn Facebook into a source of income. The best part is you can try multiple methods and see which one works best for you. Let me know in the comments which strategy you are going to try first, or if you have any question, do let me know. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.